Hello, everyone. On day 19th of the Daniels fast, I enjoyed a delicious bean burger. Today, I'll be sharing with you two different variations, followed by the verse of the day. God's readiness to give and forgive is now public. Salvation's available for everyone. We're being shown how to turn our backs on a godless, indulgent life and how to take on a God filled, God honoring life. This new life is starting right now and is whetting our appetite for the glorious day when our great God and Savior Jesus Christ appears. He offered himself as a sacrifice to free us from a dark, rebellious life into this good, pure life, making us a people he can be proud of, energetic in goodness.